Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram feed. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to fix this issue, first what you need to do is check if your Wi-Fi isn't working correctly. Simply just change that Wi-Fi over cellular data and just try again. And if that doesn't fix the issue, the next thing that you can do is just open up your web browser, right? And then all you gotta do is just simply type in down detector, right? And once you tap on it, here check to see if the Instagram server is running well or not. Sometimes the Instagram might be down, and that might be causing the issue that you are facing, right? And if the server is working properly, simply go to the Instagram and just try again. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, the next thing that you can do is just open up your settings app and then simply go to the general and then to the iPhone storage. And once it loads, simply scroll down and find Instagram app and then tap on it. And once you tap on it, you'll see two options, that is upload app and delete app, right? Simply tap on upload app and tap on upload app once again to begin the process. And what this does, it resets and clears all the caches or bugs that is present in the app, which might be causing the problem that you are facing, right? Now after the process is done, instead of this upload app, you'll have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that, and once that process is done, all you gotta do now is just try again and your issue should be fixed. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.